Okay, so hey guys, my name is Isabella. Welcome to my channel, Bellicious. And today we're going to be making unicorn horns out of clay, air dry clay. So here we go. Actually, happy St. Patrick's Day, and remember to wash your hands and use hand sanitizer. But washing your hands is better. Okay, off we go. So I was practicing before. Right now I'm kneading the orange. And we bought this to make, it's air dry clay. It's made out of Crayola. So it's pretty good for this. Because the other clay is like pretty hard. If you want a hard, like it's fine if you use the other ones. But it's better to use this one if you're gonna put it on yourself or somebody else. So right now I'm kneading orange. Alexa, put on rainforest music. So I'm gonna be doing a review on Alexa on the next video. Okay, so first I'm gonna just grab a little bit of the color that you want. So I'll use some white, and maybe some blue, and maybe some purple. Purple's pretty. But first I'm gonna mix the purple with white to make it a little bit lighter. So I bought red. These were my main colors: red, blue, and yellow, the primary colors. Also the flag of Colombia, my country. So with these colors, you can make all the colors in the rainbow. So I suggest you buy those colors. I'm gonna put some more white on it. White. To make these colors, with these colors, red, blue, and yellow. So you have for the purple, you have to mix red and blue. For green, you have to mix blue and yellow. And for orange, you have to mix red and yellow. So that's how you make those colors. And if you want to make it lighter, you just use white like I'm doing right now. I suggest you knead it before you do it because it's harder when you don't knead it. This is not even light enough. Oh yeah, and when you mix, I suggest you put more white than left for in this instance, purple. This is hard to mix, whatever you want to call it. Since this is air dry clay, you don't have to use a stove, like the oven. Just let it cool down for about some days. It depends on how big your creation is. I think this is about 1 day is enough for this. But if it's not enough, you should wait a little bit more if it isn't ready in 1 day. The color is pretty. So now we're gonna make a unicorn horn that's white first. We're gonna use the white, right? So now you have to get a few pieces, 2 pieces of the white, then roll it out until it gets into a reasonable size. I think this is good. And now you roll this one. Make sure it's not too small. I don't want to say small, but skinny. Let's say that. So I'm gonna do it again. So it just gets a little bit thicker. Okay. So it'd be nice. Just to say. It'd be nicer if it didn't have like any, shapes inside of it. I'm gonna say cracks. Just keep kneading. I think this is good. And then now you connect it. And I'm just gonna take off this piece. Now you get into this, like how big you want it to be. Since I don't want to make it this big, I'm gonna take it off a little bit. And by the way, I made a mistake earlier a little bit, so you have to make this a little bit thinner and then a little bit thicker on the bottom. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit thinner up here. Now you twist it. So it's done. This is the first one that we made. Now we're gonna move on to another one. So now we're going to be making a rainbow one. For this, you're gonna need like this so you won't damage anything, a knife and a rolling pin. So now you need all the colors in the rainbow. So just get some red, some orange, some yellow, some green, some blue, and some purple. We made this light purple earlier. First, you're going to roll it out. Let's do the purple first. So now, since you know how to roll it out, let's just do these ones. Now we're gonna do the red one, last but not least. Now that we have all of them done, we're going to put the red first. And so this is the first color in the rainbow. So we're just gonna take these off for now. But we're gonna need them later, like in 5 seconds, maybe. So we're gonna need red. Now we're gonna need orange. Red or yellow. Now, since yellow's the next color in the alphabet. Now, can you guess which one's next? Yep, you guessed it, it's green. Now, blue. Last but not least, purple. Oh God. Now that you have them all done, these are not the same size. So we're going to grab our butter knife and we're going to cut it where they all have the same size. Not in the middle or anything, but there. Now we're going to grab the rolling pin and we're going to roll it out. By the way, you can do this at your house if you're bored and if you have clay. Now that it's all rolled out, it's smooth. I'm just gonna do a little bit over here. Okay, so now that it's all smooth, we're going to cut it again over here. Okay, and now we're going to be cutting right here, so it's about a good size. Or less if you want it to be less. I think I'm gonna do less. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do this, like, and then cut it in half. Now we're gonna roll this out too. Now we're gonna put it together and we're gonna twist it. Again, as you know. It's a little bit long, so we're gonna cut it in half. So there you go, making 2 that one. So these are all of the ones that I have made. So remember to stay safe. And remember, you could put these wherever you want. Like you could use it for face paint, put it on your head. You could use them for furniture. You should use them for bling. You could put a ton of stuff on them. Like if they're white. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So you can put whatever you want on this. You can use this in birthday parties. Use them for blings. And you can use them for decoration if you want to. And you can put them on your face for face paint. Remember to stay safe, wash your hands, use hand sanitizer, and don't touch your face or go to crowded places. If you're in this. Okay, you know. So, remember to like, subscribe, and turn off the notifications if you can. Bye!